Hello everyone. So in this video, we will talk about the AWS Cloud Shell. What is AWS Cloud Shell and how you can utilize it to access your AWS environment programmatically or using CLI. Okay, so AWS Cloud Shell. So if you see this is small icon here, okay, if I click here, so this is the Cloud Shell icon. So what is Cloud Shell? Cloud Shell is a shell which allows you to access your AWS environment using the CLI. Okay, so basically you can say it is a browser-based shell that gives you command line access to your AWS resources in the selected AWS region. Because right now I'm in Northern Virginia, so by default it will allow me to access the resources using command line in the Northern Virginia region. Okay, it comes with pre-installed popular tools for resource management and creation. And now whenever I'm logging into my Cloud Shell, so I have the same credential as I have used to log into this console. So right now, as I have logged in using the tech check hyphen project, so I have the same level of access that this particular user has. Okay, so like you can do anything using, like if you want to create any resource using the CLI, so this is the most simplest way. Okay, and it comes with 1 GB of storage free per AWS region. And the one of the most, you can say, the interesting thing about this Cloud Shell is the files saved in your home directory are all available in future sessions for the same AWS region. So for example, even if I exit this shell and I will come here and log in here tomorrow, so my files will persist here. I will able to access my files also. Okay, so these are the advantages of using the Cloud Shell. Let me close that. So right now, as you can see, I am inside my Cloud Shell. Okay, so if I do AWS STS get caller identity. Okay, so as you said that I am the root user right now because this is my tech check hyphen project is my root user. So this is right now I'm logged in with the root user only. Okay, so this is a pretty useful tool. Like if you want to do everything. So for example, if I want to uh, list the EC2 instances in this region, so let me do EC2 hyphen hyphen help. So AWS EC2 list hyphen instances. Yeah, so it showed me what are the available choices that I can run with EC2 right now. Okay, so as I am the root user, so I can run any of these commands that right now it is showing on my screen. Okay, so let's try to run one command. So let's try to run the describe instant. Let's try to run the describe instances. Okay, so copy this and AWS EC2 describe instances. Okay, so now it will show me all, like it will describe all the instances that are currently running in this particular region. You see, this is the instance ID which AMI it has used. Okay, what is the name, like which platform this EC2 instance is based in. Okay, and what EBS volume is attached to it. So it is showing me all the information using this CLI. Okay, so this is like the most powerful tool, like the most simplest, I would say the most simplest and the powerful tool if you want to access your AWS resources using the CLI. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. And yep, it's like we will going to use Cloud Shell in our future videos. So yep, just spin up a Cloud Shell environment in your AWS account and play around with it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.